Once upon a time, in a serene and magical forest, there was a pond known as the Pond of Mysteries. This pond was home to many creatures, but the most notable among them was a clever frog named Freddy. Freddy was known far and wide for his intelligence and quick thinking. He lived under a large lily pad that provided him shelter and a perfect vantage point to observe the world around him. Freddy, another beautiful day in the pond. Time to see what adventures await. Every morning, Freddy would hop around the pond, greeting his friends and helping them with their problem. His friends included Tina the turtle, Benny the bird, and Sally the snail. Each of them had their own unique skills, but they all admired Freddy for his wisdom. Chapter 2. Golden Crown. One sunny afternoon, while Freddy was basking in the sun, he noticed something shimmering at the bottom of the pond. Curiosity piqued. He dove into the water to investigate. With his astonishment, he found a golden crown lying in the mud. "Freddy, what is this doing here? This must belong to someone important." Freddy carefully brought the crown to the surface and showed it to his friends. They all gathered around, marveling at the beautiful artifact. "Tina, this looks like a royal crown. Maybe it belongs to the king or queen of the land. We should find its owner. They must be worried sick about losing something so valuable." "How do we find the owner? We don't even know where to start." "Don't worry, friends. We'll figure it out together. Let's start by asking around the forest." Chapter 3. The journey begins. Freddy and his friends set off on their quest to find the owner of the golden crown. They traveled through the dense forest, asking every animal they encountered if they knew anything about the crown. They spoke to wise old owls, chatty squirrels, and even a family of deer. No one had any information. Just as they were about to lose hope, they met a mysterious fox named Felix. Felix was known for his extensive knowledge of the forest and its inhabitants. "Felix, I see you found the golden crown. It's said to belong to the Frog King who lives in the Hidden Kingdom." "Freddy, the Hidden Kingdom? Where is that?" "It's a secret place, deep within the forest. Only those who are brave and clever enough can find it. I can give you directions, but the journey won't be easy." Chapter 4. Trials and Tribulation. With Felix's directions in mind, Freddy and his friends continued their journey. They faced numerous challenges along the way. They had to cross a rickety bridge over a raging river, navigate through a dark and eerie cave, and solve a series of riddles posed by a mischievous raccoon. "Freddy, remember, friends, we must stay calm and think carefully. We can overcome any obstacle if we work together." Each challenge tested their wits and teamwork, but Freddy's cleverness and his friends' support saw them through. They grew more determined with each step, knowing that they were getting closer to their goal. Chapter 5. Kingdom. After days of traveling, they finally reached the entrance to the Hidden Kingdom. It was a magnificent place, filled with sparkling streams, lush greenery, and flowers of every color imaginable. At the center of the kingdom stood a grand palace made of shimmering crystal. Freddy and his friends approached the palace, where they were greeted by the Frog King's royal guards. The guards escorted them to the throne room, where the Frog King awaited them. "Frog King, welcome, brave travelers. I see you have found my crown. I am deeply grateful." "Your Majesty, it was an honor to find and return your crown. We faced many challenges, but we worked together and used our wits to succeed. Frog King, you have shown great courage and intelligence, qualities that are highly valued in my kingdom. As a token of my gratitude, I offer you a place in my court and the title of Royal Advisor." Chapter 6. Celebrations and Reflection. Freddy was humbled by the Frog King's offer. He accepted the title and the honor of being the Royal Advisor. His friends were also rewarded for their bravery and loyalty. Tina was appointed the Royal Guard, Benny became the Royal Messenger, and Sally was named the Royal Scribe. The kingdom celebrated their arrival with grand feast. Music filled the air, and the creatures of the hidden kingdom danced and sang in joy. Freddy, this is truly a magical place. I'm grateful for the friends and the adventures that brought us here. Dina, we wouldn't have made it without your clever thinking, Freddy. Benny, and your leadership kept us going, even when things were tough. We're a team, and together we can achieve anything. Chapter 7. New adventures await. As the days passed, Freddy and his friends settled into their new roles. They helped the Frog King govern the Hidden Kingdom, ensuring that it remained a place of peace and prosperity. They also embarked on new adventures, exploring the far reaches of the kingdom and beyond. Freddy, every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Let's make the most of it. Their bond grew stronger with each adventure, and their reputation as wise and brave creatures spread throughout the forest. They became legends in their own right, inspiring others to be courageous and clever in the face of challenges. Chapter 8. The Legacy of the Clever Frog. Years later, tales of Freddy the Clever Frog and his friends were told in every corner of the forest. Their story became a source of inspiration for young animals who dreamed of adventure and heroism. The pond where Freddy had once lived was now a place of pilgrimage, where creatures came to pay homage to the legendary frog. Freddy, we've come a long way, my friends, but the journey never truly ends. And so Freddy the Clever Frog and his loyal friends continued to live their lives to the fullest. Always ready for the next adventure. Always united in their quest for knowledge and justice. The end.